How to contact Google support. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can contact Google support. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is basically open up your Google. After you open up your Google, all you have to do is search for Google support. After you search for Google support, you'll find Google Help by support.google.com. Tap on it. Now you can directly head over to support.google.com as well. So right here you will see you will be given a text area to describe your issue. And other than that, you will be given more apps and more service related support as well. So for example, if I tap on YouTube, I will be able to ask queries or see already existing queries and answers about YouTube itself. So here I can describe about my problem in YouTube, or I can simply see already created documents, already created articles about YouTube. So let's head over to this change video settings and there you will see more options available. Now, if that does not fix my issue, I can head over to post to help community as well, where there is a community where you can ask and other people who might have faced the same problem will help you. So yeah, that's basically how you can contact Google support, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.